What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're shutting this. I don't know why that's open, but this is the topic of today's video. I've had this for a while. I wanted to make sure I used it, had a good amount of use from it before I decided to post it and show you guys about it. So a while back I was browsing on the interwebs, mostly Instagram, saw a detailer because that's who I follow a lot of, and they had this table. So I started doing some digging because I had messaged them and they did not answer me regarding who made this beautiful little thing. So finally I found it. I will link that down below so you don't have to do the same investigation work that I had to deal with. So this is the table. Look at how compact it sits on its own, which is awesome. I just tripped over this, so you know, usually that's chilling like that. It's not heavy really at all. This is like a very stout setup. I'm going to show you how it sets up. I'm going to show you how it disassembles. You see how it is now, and then I'm going to explain to you my general purpose use of it and why I think this is a pretty freaking solid deal, especially since I got it on sale on Amazon. So if you see it on sale, definitely grab this. So let's show you. So this is the way it sits. So basically, let's leave it like this, where we have the top portion here facing you, right? You can close that down. Basically what you're gonna wanna do is you just walk up to the unit, you're gonna grab it on the sides, and there's these little buttons here. That's it. Literally couldn't be any friggin' easier. The little buttons here are right here. They're just little like safety lockers. From here, there's only one other thing. How did a cat hair get down here, dude? Oh my god, this cat's crazy. From here, the last little piece that you do is you're gonna just pull this, and you'll know this is locked in. You're gonna keep pulling it, and you'll see this. This says locked. It's super sturdy. Now I'm gonna show you. I am 220 pounds. We are chilling on this. Nothing. Not a problem. What is that? That's not from my butt. I wasn't sitting on that side. I was on this side. So that's not the remnants of a wet fart, trust me. Although right now, in full transparency mode, I'm going through it. Definitely have some bubble gut action going on. I'm not sure what the hell just happened. But this also comes with something down here, which took me a while to figure out how to use. So it's got two little clamp setups. There's another one on the other side. So let me pull them out, and hopefully I remember how to use it. So you're gonna see, this is the setup. What you'll notice is it's got this little thing. Now this right here goes inside here. But what you're gonna do is, wait a second. Over here on this end, if I could see that, yeah, here. You're gonna push this down. Hold on, you gotta loosen it here with this. That, like when you tighten this, it gets super tight, and then you're gonna break the tightness there. Haha, break it. And you're gonna push this button, and while you're pushing, you're gonna pull this piece away. So after you move that, now this piece moves like this, right? Then you're gonna have this piece moves like this. So remember that, two pieces, two parts, they move. So this is gonna go in here, and you can slide this in, and then there's this little notch here that's gonna line up with this. And basically, you're gonna pull the trigger a tiny bit. It's gonna lock in here. So now, that's good in there. Now you're gonna put something on here. Basically, you're just gonna pull the trigger. And as you pull the trigger, it's gonna put whatever in there that you wanna lock in. So say you wanna put this in here. I mean, I don't have a piece of wood or anything. Once it gets in, that's it. And this thing is sturdy, it stays on here. You got it on both sides here. So definitely an awesome thing. And then if you want to unlock that piece, you're gonna have to, because this is all the way at the end, this doesn't go anywhere, you're gonna have to push the handle piece and then pull it away. And that's it. Basically it's as simple as that. To get this off, you're gonna have to pull here. So you're gonna push this, and the trigger comes up, this comes out, And then when it's time to lock it back up, just gonna put it like that. It's nice to have it, but I don't use that option. For me, where this bench suits me is for detailing. If I'm doing formats, if I'm doing anything, if I need a special area to put my tools down, put my bucket up on there, there is plenty of room on both sides for storage here. It's just been a solid piece of equipment, and like I said, this is really like left-handed. It goes down, it's super sturdy. I really have no complaints whatsoever with the use of it, the sturdiness. This thing is like amazing. The best part is obviously the compact nature of it, and then just put anywhere you want it. It's been great. If I want to take supplies, this is going in the next video, but I can have all my supplies on here with my buckets. Again, I have a detail cart here, so that's what I normally would use, but if I have any excess stuff, another thing I've used this for, doing mods. When I was doing my intake, I had this in the background for me, and I would have spare parts, instruction manuals, things that I didn't want to put on another place, or if I didn't have another area, another table, another anything, you could use this for really anything. Backyard, when I have my kids out there, I could bring this in the backyard, and I can, especially during the summer, we had the water, inflatable water giant castle thing in the backyard. I wanted something off the ground that wasn't going to get things wet, pushed over in the side back of the yard. I had this. It keeps all your stuff off the ground, and I really, like I said, have no complaints. Let me show you how it goes down. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to end up getting rid of this mechanism down there. So you're going to have to unlock it. That has to break down first, and then I'm going to show you what you do. So once you go through and you know what area it takes to unlock it, this thing, when you're pushing it, you're going to push this down and push this backwards, right? And that pushes that tab here back down. It pushes the side part down, so now you don't have anything inside. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to come in and grab on the bottom. And while you're grabbing the bottom, you're going to push the sides in with your hands, if that made any sense. And you're going to pull it until these two tabs here lock in, and that's it. You're just going to go by hand, lock it up, it's good to go. Probably a very crappy demonstration of it, but I've, like I said, absolutely been super in love with this purchase. It's made by Keter, whatever the name is. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. I definitely recommend you picking this up if you need something extra as far as, you know, foldable storage, detailing storage, mod holders, anything for a shop, anything when you have a family, kids, anywhere. For me, once it's folded down, I mean, like literally it's completely out of the way. I could put it over there. Usually it's back there against the wall, but it's just completely out of the way. Doesn't give me any trouble. And you just saw how large it was, completely erect like that. And then it just closes down like it's nothing. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD, OG, I truly appreciate you. Let me know down below what you think about this thing. I think it's totally worth picking up. I can't go wrong with the purchase. Definitely, I'm sure there's other little tricks and things about it. Research it. I don't know every little, again, trick or thing about it, but I think it's totally worth picking up. Do some YouTubing, find out some more videos about it that might be, or likely are, better than me. And I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. I'll see you guys on the next one. Get it!